The best features of Go High Level CRM for lead generation. Today I'm joined with Kasra Dash, and let's jump straight in. So what do you think are the best features of the CRM Go High Level?
So I personally like to use multi-step forms. Myself and you, James, we've used a lot of different contact form tools. We've used Ninja Forms. We've used NP7 forms, I think it's called, on WordPress. And whenever you try to create like a multi-step form, a lot of those other form builders just end up breaking. I like to use Go High Level for multi-step forms because A, it's just really easy to use. B, you can tag up anyone that fills in that contact form as a contact so that it automatically gets added into the CRM side. And then you can also do all the other fancy stuff like the AI agents, auto respond, add them to a flow. So that's probably my favorite feature.
So your favorite feature then is the multi-step form. So carrying on from the multi-step form, one of my favorite features of Go High Level is the lead segmentation, which is related to the multi-step form. So what I'm able to do there is, if you are a mortgage broker and you only deal with big mansions that are £500,000 plus, if sometimes on some of our contact forms we say what's the valuation of the property, what it allows me to do is segment them leads to specific people of who I'm sending it out to. So lead segmentation for me is huge in making certain that I'm sending the right leads to the right clients who might pay a premium if they're looking for a higher value ticket. If someone came through and they was wanting to do SEO and they had a £10,000 a month budget, that might go through to one client, where if it's only £500 a month, it might only go to like a local SEO type business. So the
Yeah.
lead segmentation is definitely one of the best features with regards to Go High Level CRM for lead generation for
So
myself.
this is just as what James was basically saying. You can obviously have like different settings in your form, so like different check boxes. So for example, if someone comes to me and says full SEO service, that can go to a separate flow within the back end of the CRM. So for example, the email that they might get is they might say like, hey, okay, you're interested in full SEO services. Have you ever been with other SEO agencies? Like that might be the first email that they get. Or let's say, for example, if it's an e-commerce store that's contacting, it might be like, hey, have you ever done CRO? That might be the first email. So it's really good for stuff like that.
Yeah, for sure. So with regards to other of the best features, obviously we want to try and provide more value for people who might be looking at the comparison between HubSpot or ClickFunnels and Go High Level. So what other of the best features do you like with regards to Go High Level?
Yeah, so the AI agents is really good. If you've never used it, so they've got a voice AI agent, and then they've also got a conversation AI agent. The voice agent is basically, you can hook it up to like a telephone. So whenever somebody phones and you are not in the office, let's say your office is working from 9 to 5 and there's nobody in the office from 5 p.m. till 9 a.m., you can set up that voice AI, and you can set up to say like, look, I need 3 things from every single phone call that you take in. First of all is the name, second of all is the email, and the third thing is the person's telephone number. And then the conversation AI is the exact same, but it is in a chat box format. So I don't know if any of you guys have seen the chat box on websites where it's like down in the bottom right or the bottom left, and it says like, hey, chat with us. That's done with AI. And again, you can format that up so it basically collects certain data points from each user as well.
Yeah, for me, I think the biggest thing I love about Go High Level is the fact that everything's under one piece of software. So I can do my email, I can do my WhatsApp, I can do my SMS. It's all saved in one place. I've not got 3 lots of different software prices that I'm spending. I've not got 3 lots of worries about GDPR compliance. It's all kind of under that one account. And I absolutely love that part. But also what I love about it is being able to tag those people up with what they prefer. So that client who's come through that I've added as a contact might prefer WhatsApp as being communication, and we can tag that up in it. Or that same client might start saying, look, you couldn't do me a favor, and start sending the quotes, everything on email. And again, we can do it on email underneath the same piece of software. So as a CRM system that's able to do all of those things, then I absolutely love it for that. But what about the page builders then, Kasra? Obviously, you've done a lot of CRO over the years. How does the page builder, is that a good feature within Go High Level?
Yeah, I mean, like so I've used ClickFunnels in the past, and ClickFunnels is like, I don't know the 2026 pricing, so it's like triple the price last time I checked, in comparison to what Go High Level is, and it doesn't do as many features. So from that point of view, it's great. I have also used the page builders in the past and stuff like that, and again, it's super easy. They've already got like preset templates, so you could literally select like, okay, I'm an accountancy firm, I'm going to pick this already pre-built accountancy firm template. Maybe you just change the color so it matches with your brand, and then you're usually ready to go. And again, like what James was saying before, everything integrates into everything. So let's say you're using the page builder, you can combine that with the AI agent, and you can also combine it with the multi-step form as well. So you've got three things all coexisting into one. And then once the lead's actually filled out the form, it's going into the CRM system. So then you can contact that lead via WhatsApp, via email, whatever you want, really.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, probably again, like something else that I absolutely love as a lead generation agency. One thing I love tracking is the KPIs. So I love scoring the leads. How good are the leads? And when you've got multiple pieces of software, it becomes difficult of scoring it. Has it converted on email? Has it converted on the WhatsApp? Has it converted on the SMS? Has it converted at all? Have you managed to get hold of them? And having it in one place, the reporting of Go High Level CRM system is unbelievable for a lead generation agency, because I can look in one place. I can look to see how good their nurturing is. I can look to see not only is like the speed to lead, which anyone who doesn't know what speed to lead is, check out the link in the description where me and Kaz done the importance of speed to lead and why Go High Level is great for that. But I can track the speed to lead, I can track the nurturing process, or it might just be that my leads aren't good enough. And having that one reporting system that shows it all, that I can log into to see how good my leads are as a lead generation agency, I'm able to speak to the client and understand how can I improve what I'm doing with regards to inbound leads, but then I can then be making certain that the clients are making certain they're doing everything else they should be doing on the CRM system of Go High Level as well.